How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Multi-Section Monday, where every Monday I showcase a particular multi-section home that we offer at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Monday, it goes by the name of the Rustic Ranch Cabin 853. When it comes to cabins, you need to come to Recreational Resort Cottages. Nobody, and I mean nobody, compares to the cabins that we provide here. And it starts right here on this wraparound porch. You see we have hand-sewn individual log rails all the way around the porch. We have hand-chinked logging on the outside of the home. There is composite Tret decking on the porch. It's lifetime warranty. Never have to stain it, never have to maintain it, guys. This is maintenance-free living in a log cabin. Now you guys follow me this way and see how big this side porch is. See how lovely the logs look? This is the way that you can get the log cabin that feels like you're on vacation every time you pull in the driveway. Every post is cedar, solid cedar right here, perfect look. And guys, the side porch is nice, but the front porch is even better. You see we've got two ceiling fans, we've got an outdoor wood-burning fireplace. It's perfect. We've got real rock, and then we went ahead and installed a TV jack up above. So for those guys who like to watch the games, like to watch TV, or even in the morning drinking your coffee, you come outside, sit on your porch, watch the daily news, see what's going on. But don't let that make you think this is all this home has to offer. This is just the outside and the curb appeal. You guys follow me inside and imagine you coming home to this Rustic Ranch cabin. You come right in and you see right here, guys, it gets no better than this when it comes to the cabins that we provide. Everything in here is real wood. We got everything from the wainscot, or some people call it a chair rail, to the trim is southern yellow pine. We have it stained for you as well, and we have several different stain colors to choose from. You see we've got a lot of windows going around the living room and dining area to bring in the natural light. What I like is the open concept. This cabin is meant for entertaining. You've got your living space right here. You fit a couch and a love seat. You fit a sectional, whatever you like, guys. But right across from that, you've got your dining area that you can fit a good sized table. You've got windows that you can look out onto your property, and everything is open. You see, we've got nice vaulted ceilings in here, and just because we got a fireplace on the outside, you thought we wasn't gonna put a fireplace on the inside? We got one right over here in the corner. Again, real rock, wood burning, nice mantle with the southern yellow pine accent up above. Again, put a TV up there, you're good to go. What a lot of people like about it is with the open concept, you go straight from the living area into the kitchen. So that way, if you're entertaining, you can converse with everyone and not feel away from the party, away from family. You've got plenty of countertop space right here. We went with the HD laminate in this home. We can do granite, quartz, whatever you like. We also went with the hickory cabinets. See, those make a nice look, a nice feature for the home. And we also have under cabinet lighting going all throughout the kitchen. That's standard. No matter what you do, if you get a Rustic Ranch cabin from us, you're getting under cabinet lighting. That's what's going to happen. We just like to add that little special touch. We went ahead and went with the black appliances to kind of set off that rustic feel. And you'll see we also got a tray ceiling in the kitchen. In the kitchen, guys, tray ceiling, and we also went with some transom windows up above. Again, bringing in the natural light, making the home feel even more open. And this home is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's right over 1,300 square feet. And it cannot be beat, guys, when it comes to the cabin. You see we got our first room right here. This will be the first bedroom, the guest room. It is a great size. You can fit a king-size bed in here. Again, we kept the chair rail going throughout the whole home. And you'll see we also have barn doors. Again, the real pine. Every door in here is solid wood. And even in your shelves in the closet, solid wood. You don't have to worry about your clothes falling down with any of that cheap mobile home materials that you get from down the street at Billy Bob's Trailers. That's not what's going to happen here at Recreational Resort Cottages. We're bringing site-built quality in a manufactured home. And right across from the guest room, we've got right here, you'll see a nice linen closet. It could be a coat closet if you like. You can put some towels there since you're right here across from the bathroom. And then we go right into the guest bath. Again, we have additional shelves right here as well. Got the hickory cabinets going along. And then we've got the nice, right here, tub shower. So if anyone has kids and need to take a bath in the tub, we have that area for you. Or if you have any adults staying over, again, they can take a shower as well. We make it convenient for everybody. Now you guys follow me right through here. And we'll see also, we've got the nice accordion doors right here that open up for your washer and dryer space. That way it's hidden away. And we just close that right back. And again, we try to do things nice, add that little personal touch. Hickory cabinet door, where does it lead to? The electric panel. Because we don't want you to look at that, we want you to look at this. Looks so much better, doesn't it? So you guys follow me right through, and we're back to the master. Look how large this master bedroom is. Got so much space in here. Again, chair rail going throughout. We've got several windows bringing in the natural light. And then we went with the southern yellow pine stained accent. Special, perfect for the master. It makes you feel like a master in here. And we've got right here, the master closet. Again, real wood shelves. And look how deep this is. Bye. Bye. You ain't gonna see me. That's how long it is, guys. Perfect. Close it right back. Come right through here. And we'll go to the master bathroom. Again, we got a window right here. Got nice hickory cabinets going throughout. Countertop space for you. And we got my favorite, the big boy shower. I call this the car wash. This is what I do when I come through after the gym, come through here. Oh, you just stand here, turn it on, it does the rest. You got everything you need. You even got a bench seat right here. So if you're real tired, just take a load off. Everything will be done for you. You got the nice pressure head right here, and then you got the rain shower head from up above. So you're hit from all angles. Squeaky clean, guys. And then right here as well, you'll see, for those that like their privacy, you got your toilet behind the door. So if you got little problems going on, you just close that off and act like it never happened. And you guys follow me right back through the house, and I'll show you why here at Recreational Resort Cottages, the rustic ranch cabin is the perfect cabin for you. You guys follow me right back through, and you'll see it is an open floor plan, perfect for you. And you got the hallway coming through. We got the guest bedroom right here on the left side. You got your guest bath on the opposite side. Again, then we come right back, and you're greeted by this open concept. This is where you want to be, guys. This is where you want to stay. This is where you want to entertain. This is where you want to bring family. This 853 Rustic Ranch Cabin is for you. And guys, if you want to do any customization to the home at all, change colors, change cabinet colors, change fireplaces, anything like that, we're the quickest in build time. Right now it's 8 to 10 weeks, guys. It is on your property delivered. So if you want to get one, you want to talk about it, contact me. Come see me in person at Recreational Resort Cottages. Ask for Mr. Tiny. Ask about that deal you can't refuse. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to the videos on YouTube. Let me know how I'm doing, and I'll see you guys next time.